Good afternoon. This is the eighth wonder of the world, introducing compound interest. Welcome, stock market investors. Today I'll be going over the financial sector, part three. But before I get into that, show you guys today is Saturday, so the market's closed. That's my all. As, as you can see, I started investing um, on the fifth. It was should be in the fourth, but they got me on the fifth. Um, so pretty much, I am at 33.33%. I'm learning pretty much my portfolio is 60% stocks, 30% index funds, 5% bonds ETF, and then 5% REITs. Pretty much this is my strategy for 2019. Um, as you can see here, I have 74 individual stocks, so in counting. So and they're listed by uh, valuation, highest to lowest, and they range from, as you can see, 1,000 all the way down to $1. I'm going to scroll down for you guys. Once I hit 100, I'll go over. I'm gonna start going over my portfolio. I'm just pretty much the reason why I haven't really gone over it because I'm still learning. So I want to give you guys the best information. So I'm going through all the mistakes and headaches and stuff like that. But it's Manchester United. I gotta share them. I mean, I pretty much cover all sectors. Um, my philosophy in investing is different. Pretty much, I'm building my foundation, my pillars, and then once I get my pillars, um, I'm gonna reevaluate my portfolio at 100 stocks. So once I do the evaluation, then I will um, see if I could double up. But what I'm gonna start doing is with any stocks that pay dividend and REITs or any index funds, anything that pays dividends, pretty much if they're short of $1, I'll pretty much add another share to it to complete make it $1. So I start getting paid in dollars instead of cents. So that's something that I'll probably do probably in a couple months. I just want to see um, how the strategy that I'm on, how it's working out for me. So my thing about this one, I don't know if I told you guys this story, but pretty much I never want to do this again. Um, so and I'm pretty much learning as I'm going. So I was in panic. I don't know if you guys remember this, the 24th of December 2018, but this was panic mode right here for me. I was just like, oh shit. Luckily I was in South America, so that kind of helped me, help my energy. And if I would have been around here, just I'm back in California, so in the States it's a different type of vibe. But and then I just waited it out, and then pretty much I recouped the entire $479.13, and pretty much I'm up now $189. So I recouped all that. So pretty much um, $700. So pretty much my strategy from here till until the end of time is or my end of time, or our end of time, is pretty much to figure out, even in a down market, how to keep my percentage no minimum 3%, no, without it falling below 3%. So, and I'm pretty much practicing diversity in sectors. And then once I get my sectors filled, then I'll start doubling. I'll find out which companies pretty much, when I start doubling, I'll start doubling up on the companies to fulfill that dollar minimum getting paid. And then I go from there. And then once I go through and get all the dividends that I'm collecting from all my companies, once I get them all to $1, then I'll do add another Then I'll make and add another stock to make them all go up. Instead of $1, double it to $2, and then I'll do it, pretty much that way. Instead of just throwing everything at just one company, I'm just trying something different. I mean, I've seen a lot of people with nice gains, but you know, if you look at their 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 month here, it's all positive. But if you ever look at their alls, because they're so heavy in stock, it's so much volatility that once it drops, it drops. You don't have nothing to cushion it. You don't have any index funds. You don't have no bonds, ETFs, REITs. So pretty much this is my strategy. Okay, let's jump into it. This is the finance sector, part 3. The first company that I have listed is American Express. Okay, American Express. Let's go to the 5-year. As you can see, it peaked all the way on November 30th, 2018 at $112.27. After this dip back in February 5th, 2016, it pretty much it's been on a upward trend. Current market price is $104.30. About American Express Company engages in the provision of charge and credit card products and travel-related services. It operates through the following segments: Global Consumer Services Group, GCSG, Global Commercial Services, GCS, Global Merchant and Network Services, GMNS, and Corporate and Other. The GCSG segment issues a wide range of proprietary consumer cards globally. The GCS segment provides proprietary corporate and small business cards, payment and expense management services, and commercial financing products. The GMNS segment operates a global payments network that processes and settles cards transactions, acquires merchants, and provides multiple channel marketing programs and capabilities, services, and data analytics. The corporate and other segment covers corporate functions and certain other businesses and operations. The company was founded by Henry Wells, William G. Fargo, and John Warren Butterfield on March 28th, 1850. Been around, and is headquartered in New York City, New York. The current CEO is Stephen J. Squeri. Employees 55,000. Headquarters New York City, New York. Founded in 1850. Been around. Market cap 88.53 billion. Large cap. PE ratio 13.22. Low. Dividend yield 1.55. It's all around interesting to know about that company. Didn't know. Buy 40%, hold 57%. Those two together more than 75%. So that's the first finance company. The second finance company is Prudential Financial. Put that in. Prudential Financial. Pop right up. Excuse me. Let's go to the 5-year. Pretty much it jumped a level, as you can see, for the longest, and then pretty much right in there it jumped up. It peaked on January 26, 2018 at $126.02. Current market price is $90.99. About Prudential Financial Incorporated engages in the provision of financial products and services, including life insurance, annuities, mutual funds, and investment management to both individual and institutional customers. It operates through the following segments: U.S. Individual Solutions, U.S. Workplace Solutions, Investment Management, International Insurance, Closed Block, and Corporate and Others. The U.S. Individual Solutions segment consists of individual annuities and individual life products. The U.S. Workplace Solution segment comprises of retirement and group insurance divisions. The Investment Management segment provides investment management and advisory services by means of institutional portfolio management, mutual funds, asset securitization activity, and other structured products and strategic investments. The International Insurances segment manufactures and distributes individual life insurance, retirement, and related products to the mass affluent and affluent markets in Japan, Korea, and other foreign countries through its life planner operations. The closed block segment includes certain in-force participating insurance and annuity products and corresponding assets that are used for the payment of benefits, expenses, and policyholders. Dividends related to these products. The corporate and other operations segment include corporate item or businesses that have been or will be divested. The company was founded by John Fairfield Dryden in 1875 and is headquartered in Newark, New Jersey. The current CEO is Charlie F. Lowray Jr. Employees 49,705. Headquarters Newark, New Jersey. Founded in 1875. Been around. Market cap 38.42 billion. Large. PE ratio 9.59. Low. Dividend yield 4.47. Wow, high. Buy 76%, hold 24%. Those two together more than 75%. So that's the second finance company. The third finance company is PayPal. Okay, let's look at the 5-year. As you can see, fairly new with the straight line. So it IPO'd back in on the 6th of July 2015, and since then it's been up in the upward trend. Peaked just recently on January 25th, 2019 at $94.28. The current market price is $91.80. About PayPal Holdings Incorporated engages in the development of technology platform for digital payments. Its solutions include PayPal, PayPal Credit, Braintree, Venmo, Zoom, and Paydiant products. It manages a two-sided proprietary global technology platform that links customers, which consist of both merchants and consumers, to facilitate the processing of payment transactions. The company was founded in December 1998 and is headquartered in San Jose, California. The current CEO is Daniel H. Schulman. Employees 18,700. Headquarters San Jose, California. Founded in 1998. Market cap 107.86 billion. Large. PE ratio 53.74. That's high. Dividend yield 0. Buy 74%. Hold 24%. Those two together more than 75%. So that's the third finance company. The fourth finance company is Square. Get those squares out of your circle. A little saying I used to hear in high school. Okay, let's look at the 5-year. As you can see, Square is also fairly new. It IPO'd on November 20th, 2015. As you can see, pretty much since then it's been uphills until September 28, 2018, which it peaked at $99 and a penny. Currently coming out of a bear market. Current market price $73.33. About Square Incorporated engages in the provision of credit card payment processing solutions. The firm offers additional point of sale services, financial services, and marketing services. The company was founded by Jack Dorsey and Jim McKelvey in February 2019 and is headquartered in San Francisco, California. That's where I'm currently at right now. Uh, the current CEO is Jack Dorsey. Employees 2,338. Headquarters San Fran, California. Founded in 2009. Market cap 30.31 billion. That's large. PE ratio not listed. Dividend yield 0. Buy 49%. Hold 43%. Those two together more than 75%. So that is the fourth finance company. Last but not least is Discover Financial Services. Okay, let's look at the 5-year. As you can see, it's upward trending but rocky. Peaked on January 26, 2018 at $80.98. Currently coming out of a bear market. Market price $68 and a penny. Excuse me. About Discover Financial Services is a holding company which engages in the provision of direct banking and payment services. It operates through the direct banking and payment services segments. The direct banking segment offers Discovery branded credit cards issued to individuals and small businesses on the Discover network, and consumer banking products and services, including private student loans, personal loans, home equity loans, and deposit products. The payment services segment includes Pulse, Diners Club, and the company's network partners business, which includes credit, debit, and prepaid cards issued on the Discover network by third parties. Excuse me. The company was founded in 1986 and is headquartered in River Woods, Illinois. The current CEO is Roger C. Holtzchild, not Rothschild. I don't know if it's Roth, but it's Hochschild. Employees 16,500. Headquarters River Woods, Illinois. Founded in 1986. Market cap 22.51 billion, so that's large. PE ratio 8.71. Low. Dividend yield 2.54. Nice. Buy 68%. Hold 32%. Those two together more than 75%. So there you have it. Those are the 5 finance companies. And the total investment for these 5 finance company comes out to $432.32. Excuse me. In conclusion, American Express. One share of American Express is $104.96. Dividend yield 1.55. Prudential Financial. One share of Prudential Financial is $93.41. Dividend yield 2.61. PayPal. One share of PayPal is $92.25. Dividend yield 0. Square. One share of Square is $72.68. Dividend yield 0. Last but not least is Discover Financial Services. One share of Discover Financial Services is $69.02. Dividend yield 2.54. Outro. Subscribe to the channel. Comment any questions or recommendations you have. Like if the content was inspiring for you. And share this information with other stock market investors. Until next time, let your compound interest make you a millionaire.